Meet Bryce, the founder of Sparkz Marketing, a client-focused digital marketing agency, but he couldn't do it alone. This is Shayla, Sparkz Marketing team lead. She commands our marketing forces and gives us a foolproof battle plan. This is Sparkz graphic designer and content creator, Tanner. He loves creating things and eating peanut butter. Together, they created and ran a successful campaign to increase brand awareness for All-Star Service and Repair, generating over 480,000 impressions in just 30 days. These are Sparkz developers, Aiden and Jaden, creators and problem solvers of all things website. And they can beat anyone at Smash Bros. Together, they launched a website for Kolache Crave with a custom shopping experience and improved their SEO dramatically. This is Rebecca, Sparkz SEO specialist, a wizard with words, who can write about anything. Anything. The time-gripping process of acrylic paint drying is often. This is Hannah, Sparkz remote client manager. She ensures our clients get the best service no matter where they are in the world, even here. This is Sparkz director of sales lead generation, Julia. She creates enough incoming sales for you to drown in. Together, they created a voicemail campaign that was so successful, Cascade Services had to hire a secretary to manage all the incoming calls. Literally, no joke. This is Sparkz Marketing, and together, we will help you find your spark.